say about that?
Well, it appears to be working. I got it installed. I'm just now copying the code. So it took a while. It's been about, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours messing around with the install. See if this even still works. I mean, who knows? Um, so let's reopen this up. Let's see if we can start a new project or open a project. Let me see here. Alright, so I'm not even sure what version of this. Oh God. I forget if this is Delphi 12 or 10 or what. What is this thing? 5, 6, 7. I think it's 10. What version is... Borderland, this is Delphi 10, so that's what I want to install. Delphi 10. Let me see here. How do I open up? That was a project. I want to open up. How can I open? There we go. Here we go. So, can I compile this? Install. I'm a little still getting used to this. Wow. Set parent component is not. Set parents. What is the deal here? Parents. I don't understand this. How can that function not be there? How can that function not be there? The help in this is horse patooey. The help file for it's like Delphi 2006 when they made their help file. They said, we're not going to provide you any help to Windows APIs. We want you to use .NET or something. It's almost like a conspiracy. It's the documentation is so poor. I just tried to hit the help F1 over that set parent component. It brought up set parent component. So why is this not working? It's T control. Why is that not working? It appears to be there. How is this not working? What is going on? Set parent. It's not in the scope. It's like it's How is this? It's of T form. Oh, I can't click F1 now. Here we go. So to form, go to references. Now if we look up set components, see it's components, it's an object of the methods. Set parent component should be in here, you would think. Nope. Let's do set parent. That's protected. So see, protected is not public, and so getting access to it. See, protected functions aren't viewable. Let me see if set parent is there. Set parents. See, protected functions aren't viewable. I'm guessing that set parent component is also a protected function now. It used to be public. So now you have to figure out what to use. Instead, I'm guessing it's just make it parent. Set parent component. See, Win control has a set parent component. It's gone. T control. Here it is. It's protected. See, that's the problem. So see, they've minimized. It used to be public, and so you were able to compile. See, if I was inside of a, if I was creating a function that inherited from form, I could get access to that protected function. But because I'm using a form that just uses the form and not inherits, because it uses the form, I only get access to public variables. And so now I need to say, I don't know, I think I need to say is parent is equal to, this is strange to me. And I have to change this for everything. I'm going to do this regular expression thing. And then it'll tell me what I can use for regular expressions, so I'm going to have to figure it out here. So, let's try to find out how many of these we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, it's kind of fun figuring out regular expressions. The problem is sometimes they're all different. What they can. So let's see here. Let's find one. I want to replace set comparents with parents equal to, let's see, does that work? Oh, that didn't work. Let's see, we got a problem here, so let's just try that. God damn it. Let's see if this works. Oh, that is not. No. Let's see if that works. No. And with no help file, usually it's this. Still not working. It'd be nice to be able to know how this works, because how do we get access to so I got to open up Delphi. Regular. I'm trying to find. It sucks when they don't provide documentation, proper documentation. Let me see if I do a Control R here in this regular expression. See how the help works here. All right, regular expressions. Here we go. All right, so this is Delphi 5 now. See, the help is a bit more clear here. So I have to go back to this reference, and it sucks. Okay, so you group with these brackets here. And so how do you... Okay, backslash, use a backslash and a number to indicate. So it's, I was close. Let's go ahead and go back there. Okay, so we want to use, not typically in the regular expression it's parentheses, but here it's, and then you use the \1. Now let's try it. Oh, still didn't work. Wow. Let's try that. No. Oh, I see. I got to put the parentheses. There we go. That might do it. So it's one thing knowing how. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Oh, you suck. See, we're not even worrying about the program right now. We're just talking about the editor and how you get this thing to work. It'd be nice to know how you do these in case you have multiple fixes. Alright, oh, this is why. You gotta put a backslash in here. Oh, you suck again. Damn it. See, it's the backslash. We know that. bottom one's right. The top one is trying to work. It finds it. See, it's able to find it. See, it finds this. It needs to take this and move it over here. See, it finds it. But it's not replacing it properly. It might be 0. Let's try 0. It could be 0 based. I thought I was 1. Let me see here. There it is. Finally. Holy cow. So let me recap here. Just so you know. So I use a backslash. It started. Oh, it's beginning with 0. I didn't read this portion. It begins with 0. I was thinking it was 1. So I was trying to replace it with the number 1. But the first grouping that you get starts with 0. So that was the key thing there. So I mean, you can tell. I mean, even just learning an editor is a bit of an experience and a bit of a challenge. And you know, and I got through it. It was rewarding because the next time I need to do this, it's going to be quick. But it just sucks when you don't have a help file that wants to. Anyway, so we're past that. Let me see here. So let's replace them all now. What the hell? Form style. Why is this failing? God dang. Oh, I had this wrong here. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Alright. I don't know what was there before, so I have to close this. Don't save. And we'll do this again. Alright, now we're going to do this replace. Okay, now it's compiled, so let's install this. Okay, so now it's installed. Okay, so now alright, so now let's add to the project. We want to look at a demo. Let's look at simple. Panel 1 show caption. We can ignore that. Desktop 1 image index. Active 1 image index. I don't know what these are, but we're in trouble here. Image 1. You can view as text and you can see all the properties in a text view.